Hey guys, welcome back to the Multimedia channel. So in previous video, we have successfully pushed our Docker image to Harbor using Jenkins pipeline. Now it's time to next step, setting up a Minio. So what is Minio? Minio is like a developer version of Google Drive. So it's fast, lightweight storage system where we can safely store all kinds of files, build aircrafts, logs, reports, backups, and more. So in this video, we will see how to set up and why it's super useful for CI/CD pipeline. So let's get started the video. So now I have already created a VM on Minio storage. Now I have to connect to that. We go to command prompt. So run as administrator. So use command like ssh Minio storage the rate of and use IP address to connect it. So it's enter yes and enter VM password. So once we connected, we have to install the Minio setup. So by using these commands, we have to set up our Minio. Now copy this command and paste it here. So this commands actually updates the Ubuntu system. So it's ready for new installation. So then click enter and enter VM password. So it updating the Ubuntu system. It's done. We have to go to next command. Copy this and paste it here. So this command actually download the Minio binary files. At the same time, we have to give in the permissions to run. So in this last command, it tells that it moves a system folder, so you can run Minio for anywhere. Now enter. So it start downloading. Let's wait few minutes. So once it's done, we have to copy these commands and paste it here. So it creates a system user for Minio. There is no login access also, but it makes folder for starting files and config. Also, it gives permission to the Minio user to manage those folders. So now you have to upload the config file. Now copy this command and paste it here. So now copy this, copy and paste it here. So it these files are tells Ubuntu how to run Minio as a service. At the same time, it sets to start automatically on boot. So here Minio dashboard will be automatically use your localhost or IP address to log in. So control O, enter, control exit. Okay, enter. Now we have to upload our password, username and password for Minio. Paste and enter. So we have already updated admin username and password admin123. Okay, now save that. Control O, enter, control X to exit. So now run this to we have to start and enable the Minio. So once it's done, we have to check the status if Minio is working or not. So the error basically is we are using RPI system. So that's why it's a version like ARM64. But in our laptop is AMD64. So we are now delete the previous one. So use this command. Again we can install the Minio binaries. Use this command ARM64. So once it's complete, again run these commands. So run one command. Okay. Copy this. So once it's done, we have to check our status. So it's successfully active now. Now we have to go to our web browser to check Minio dashboard is appearing or not. So go to your web browser. So now in web browser we have to type http column forward slash and your IP password. So dot 168 dot 0 dot 21 and port number which is 9001. Now click enter. So, and that's it. Its Minio is now successfully set up and running. So you can access the dashboard or using your IP address and port number and start uploading like files, logs, or backups. Let's move to the using it in our pipeline. So in previous we see dashboard, right? So now it's time to log in. Use password and copy this. So this is our UI dashboard of Minio. Now go to terminal once. So clear this. So and follow this command. Now enter password. So in previous I have changed admin and password is admin123. So that's all. That's give wrong invalid password and username also. So we use default Minio admin and Minio admin. So both are same password, username and password. So now save this file. Enter. Exit. So now we have to log in. HTTP column underscore IP address dot 0.21 port number. So if you see use meaning Minio admin and here also Minio admin. If you see, so this is our Jenkins dashboard. Sorry, this is our Minio dashboard. So now that's Minio is running. So let's create a bucket to start with build aircrafts. Now go to, so here we are in dashboard. Now create bucket. So we have to name that. Name as build aircrafts. Now create bucket. So it created default settings and we are ready to store files in our build aircrafts. So now we have to log into our Jenkins UI dashboard. So 192.168. So once login, we have to add our credentials. Now go to manage Jenkins and search for credentials. Click on this. Now select global. Add your credentials. So once it's enter, it's default using username with password. Enter username of Minio and password as Minio. So once it's done, we have to enter ID, which is Minio credentials. Now create the credentials. So if you see here, it's successfully added. Now go to Jenkins dashboard. Before we run a pipeline, we have to update our script. Now go to git bash again. So in git bash, we have to edit our Jenkins file. Now go to nano Open Jenkins file to edit our script. Okay. So this is our Jenkins file. So before we start editing our Jenkins pipeline, we need to set up a Minio client inside our VM. So I have already done this setup, but if you are following along, here are the steps. So first download the Minio client. Again, give it permission to run. Also finally, check the installation using this command mc version. So once it's done, we are ready to use it our Jenkins pipeline. Now go to git bash to edit our Jenkins pipeline. So this is our Jenkins file script. So this is the stage in Jenkins where we take the build output and upload it to Minio. So if you see here is just a log message, which means to show in Jenkins console that the upload process has started or not. So at the same time, I have used the my credentials, which is securely injects the Minio username and password from Jenkins credentials. So that way you don't hardcore them in our script. So in this block, first we connect Jenkins to Minio by credentials and alias. Then we make sure that the bucket exists, upload our build zip file into the bucket. And finally, we can verify the file is uploaded or not. If verification fails, the pipeline will stop immediately. So now we have to save the pipeline script. Now we have to push the git. Now we have to go to the Jenkins UI dashboard to run our pipeline. Now start our Harbor demo pipeline. So it's starting. Now click on this and go to pipeline overview. It shows stages by stages. So as we can see here, our Jenkins pipeline has successfully completed. So at the stages are marked in green, right? Starting from checking out the code, build the Docker image and pushing it to the Docker Harbor, and Harbor preparing the build artifact, and finally uploading it to Minio. So that way every step has a green check mark, right? That means the pipeline runs smoothly without any errors. So if you want more clarity whether the build is fail or pass notifications, we can check means go to Discord. So if you see here in Discord server, the build process is successfully completed. Now we have to go to the Minio to check our file is uploaded or not. So once log into Minio, if you see here, the file is available inside our Minio bucket. So that means the upload from Jenkins worked perfectly. So that brings us the end of our CI/CD series. So we started from basics and built everything step by step, right? And now we have a fully automated pipeline in place. I hope this series gives you valuable insights, and now it's your turn to experiment and build your own pipeline. Thank you so much for watching and learning along with me. I'm Manoj, and I will catch you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more DevOps content.